Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some custom door pulls or door handles made out of oak. I'm going to start off with a rough sketch of the door handle. I'm going to keep it simple here. The width of the handle is going to be 1 inch and the length is going to be 5 inches. All the sides are going to get a 15-degree bevel, and there's going to be a chamfer on the perimeter of the handle on the top of it. The handle is going to be made out of oak. I'm going to change the saw blade angle to 15 degrees before I make the cut. The door handles are going to be 5 inches long and 1 inch wide. Going to set the miter saw for a 15-degree bevel cut and then make the cuts on both sides of the door handles. Going to be using this chamfer bit on the router to add a little bit of shadow line on the door handle, as well as give it a little bit of design. So I turned the router upside down and clamped it to do the chamfering. If you're not comfortable doing this, then use a router table or even a hand plane. You don't really need a router to do the chamfering. You can use a hand plane. Going to be using minwax stain today. Always had good results with minwax, and this one is red oak. I let it dry and apply a second coat. You can apply as many coats as you like depending on the color you're trying to get to. What I'm doing here is trying to find the center of the handle, and for small parts like this I usually use a piece of paper to find the center. For me it's a lot easier than using a measuring tape. With the center located, I'm going to use this hardware jig to locate the holes for the 2 screws for the handle. Going to be applying 2 or 3 coats of minwax wipe-on poly to protect the finish. So the handles were made to match the top of the cabinet, which is also made out of red oak. So the color matches perfectly, and we're ready to install them.